Hey there, it's Brandon, and I have to show you one of the coolest new features I have ever seen. And I've seen all the technology that basically exists in this world, or at least a lot of it. I'm moving into my new building here at 11650 West Pico. The building's name is Hamstead Heath. It's run by a really cool guy. I'll not talk about him for now, but you can kind of see the building. It's a pretty modern, decent looking building. And I'm not moving in right now, but I am going in to take some measurements. And what I decided to do is just drop by and potentially, see the unit, and not potentially, but I'm actually doing it, and kind of get it ready, or at least in my mind, so I can order the furniture, etc. Well, anyway, usually you'd have to call the community manager or somebody, kind of find a time. It's a little bit of a hassle for both them and you. And so you'd never get the ability to basically go into there until it's, much later than you need it. Well, I called up this morning and yesterday, and this is how wonderful these people are. And frankly, they're just like immediately saying, yeah, go and visit. And I kind of thought to myself, what do you mean visit? Well, they have this really cool system, which I'll tell you the name here, put it maybe in the details of the video. But all you have to do is literally watch this, okay? Well, first off, let me show you what it looks like. See this system right here? It's called Akuvox. And what I'm trying to do, as you can see, is I'm trying to open the door. It's locked right now, right? Well, I'm gonna activate it. I'm gonna have to move away from the video for a second, but...
All right, this is the app that is getting me inside the apartment building. So I don't know if you can see, but it says Smart Plus on it. And honestly, when you see the app, I believe at some point they'll actually add my unit into this if it actually opens it. But if it doesn't, that's not a big deal, because what I was trying to show you here today was the fact that you can actually open up this door if you to the outside of the building in the main entrance, if you just click on that. Because think about it, what's kind of cool is you'll be up in your unit, and I'm actually on the 5th floor. I obviously don't want to go all the way downstairs to open up the building every time someone arrives or whatever the case may be. But when I have this little app, I can actually use it to get in, but also to help other people enter the building when needed. So that's basically it. I'll talk a little bit more about it maybe in more detail as far as the setup, which isn't that complicated. It's basically an email that you'll get sent, you download the app, and maybe that's one thing I'll kind of add later down the road. But pretty cool, huh?
Well, I had to step away, or the video had to stop, but check this out. Look at this, door open. I'll get another camera or something like that. So anyway, here I am going into the building. Real easy. All I need to do is use my Akuvox, just press a button on my smartphone, and I'm in the building. So now I'm gonna go up to my unit and check it out. I don't know if I might need anything extra, but I know I can get into the building really easy with Akuvox, and that's something to do. And I'll show you the steps here in a little bit. Well, anyway, nice little area for our visitors and whatnot when they come into the building. So you can tell we have a really nice setup here with a fire alarm, an indicator, whatever that means. Here's all our mail, and then the security system, it looks like, set up pretty nicely. Here is kind of another area that basically Hamstead Heath has when people come here. Well, anyway, we'll stop the video for now, but you can tell, or you can see now, it's a really cool feature in getting into your building at a very convenient time.